Today we are going to learn about AI-powered personalized learning pathways. We will explore how AI can create personalized learning experiences, equipping you with strategies to enhance student engagement and outcomes. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing various industries, and education is no exception. By integrating AI into educational frameworks, we can create tailored learning experiences that adapt to individual student needs. This personalization is not just about catering to different learning speeds or styles, it's about fundamentally enhancing the educational journey. By leveraging AI, educators can deliver content that is more engaging, relevant, and effective. This introduction sets the stage for exploring how AI tools and platforms are being employed to customize learning pathways, thereby improving overall student engagement and outcomes.
Personalized learning offers numerous benefits, particularly for adult learners who often balance education with work and family responsibilities. One of the primary advantages is enhanced engagement. When learning materials are tailored to an individual's interests and career goals, motivation naturally increases. Flexibility is another critical benefit. AI-powered platforms can adapt to different learning paces, allowing adult learners to study at their own speed and on their own schedule. This approach aligns educational content with career aspirations, making learning more relevant and applicable. Furthermore, personalized learning has been shown to improve retention rates and deepen understanding by focusing on the unique needs of each student, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and successful educational experience. There are numerous AI tools and platforms designed specifically for education, each offering unique features that facilitate personalized learning. Adaptive learning systems, for example, utilize AI algorithms to adjust the difficulty and pace of learning materials based on a student's performance. Machine learning plays a critical role in these systems, as it analyzes data to predict future learning needs and tailor content accordingly. Some popular AI tools include platforms like Coursera, edX, and Duolingo, each utilizing AI in distinct ways to enhance the learning experience. By employing these technologies, educators can ensure that students receive a customized educational experience, fostering better engagement and understanding. Data is the backbone of personalized learning, providing the insights necessary to tailor educational experiences to individual needs. Various types of data, such as student performance metrics, engagement levels, and learning preferences, are collected to inform personalization strategies. This data helps educators design learning pathways that are both effective and efficient. However, managing this data presents challenges, including the need for proper data storage and analysis techniques. Additionally, educators must navigate ethical considerations, ensuring that student data is collected and used responsibly, with privacy and security as top priorities. By addressing these challenges, data can be a powerful tool in creating meaningful and personalized learning experiences.
Examining case studies of successful AI implementations in education provides valuable insights into how these technologies can be effectively utilized. For instance, the use of AI at Arizona State University has led to significant improvements in student retention rates and academic performance. Similarly, Southern New Hampshire University has employed AI to offer personalized learning experiences, resulting in increased student satisfaction and engagement. These success stories highlight the transformative impact of AI on educational outcomes and provide lessons on best practices for implementation. As more institutions adopt AI technologies, the potential for improved educational experiences continues to expand, offering exciting possibilities for the future.
While AI offers numerous benefits in education, it also presents challenges and ethical considerations that must be addressed. One major concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms, which can lead to unequal educational opportunities if not carefully monitored. Additionally, the implementation of AI technologies can be complex, requiring significant resources and expertise. Educators must also balance the use of technology with the need for human interaction, ensuring that AI enhances rather than replaces traditional teaching methods. Ensuring equitable access to AI tools is another critical challenge, as disparities in technology access can exacerbate existing educational inequalities. Finally, educators must prioritize privacy and security, safeguarding student data against potential breaches. By addressing these challenges, we can ensure that AI is used ethically and effectively in educational settings. To assess the effectiveness of AI-powered personalization in education, it is essential to measure its impact using key metrics. These metrics may include student engagement levels, performance improvement, and retention rates. Various tools, such as learning analytics platforms and feedback surveys, can be employed to gather data and analyze educational outcomes. By continuously monitoring and evaluating these metrics, educators can identify areas for improvement and refine their personalization strategies. This process not only enhances the immediate learning experience but also contributes to long-term educational success by fostering a culture of continuous improvement and adaptation. As AI personalization becomes more prevalent, its impact on education will continue to grow, offering new opportunities for innovation and transformation.
The future of AI-driven education personalization is filled with exciting possibilities, as emerging technologies continue to reshape the educational landscape. One area of potential growth is the integration of AI with virtual reality, VR, offering immersive learning experiences that can further enhance personalization. AI also holds promise for supporting lifelong learning, providing tailored educational opportunities throughout an individual's career. Innovations in personalized assessments, such as adaptive testing, are another area of development, allowing for more accurate and individualized evaluations of student performance. As AI continues to impact global education systems, its potential to democratize and enhance learning experiences will only increase, offering new opportunities for educators and learners alike.
In conclusion, AI-powered personalized learning pathways offer significant potential to transform education by providing tailored learning experiences that cater to individual needs. While there are challenges and ethical considerations to address, the benefits of AI-driven personalization are substantial, leading to improved student engagement, retention, and outcomes. Educators must carefully navigate these challenges, ensuring responsible and equitable implementation of AI technologies. By adopting effective AI strategies, we can create a future where education is more accessible, relevant, and impactful, empowering learners to achieve their full potential.